Patty here again today. Happy New Year. By the way, I believe that 15% sale is no longer valid, but there's still the 10% off sale that runs through, I think it's January 3rd. Check out my link down below. But anyway, I'm revisiting this, what I had shown you yesterday, and I particularly had shown you how to do this headband. Remember? Okay. So and what I was doing yesterday was I basically was showing you how to use these tools. We were going to use both the Stitch Simulator and the stop button, okay? And now today I want to show you another way you can do it if you have the software of Embrilliance that's called Enthusiast. That gives you another option of what to do. So let me get rid of this picture over here, because we don't really need it. I'll just click on it in the Objects panel and hit delete on my keyboard. Okay, there we go. All right, now remember yesterday I was trying to get rid of this snowball and this cardinal because it was making it too high for my headband. And yesterday we used the Stitch Simulator and the stop button to get rid of things. Well, now I wanted to show you that if you have Enthusiast, there's another way you can do it. In Enthusiast, you can go right up here, there's the Create button, to the left of it, and it says use this tool to edit stitches. If I click on this tool to edit stitches, notice another set of tools comes down here. So let me turn it off and the tools are gone. When I click this, the tools are on, and check these guys out. You can actually see the stitches that make them up. So I want to get rid of this guy right here. So if we use this tool called the Lasso tool, which is right over here, the very last one, it says freehand select when dragging. Check this out. If you have Enthusiast, you can do this like that. So I recommend you get it if you like to do things like this. So all you have to do is take this lasso tool, click on it to select it, and just go around this guy like this. Once you have what you want selected, hit delete on your keyboard, and voila, it is gone and you're ready to go. So I could go back to this and I can go to the Stitch Simulator. Let's make it a little bigger. And let's use the Stitch Simulator and see now how it's going to work. Okay, that works really, really well. I'm wondering, some people were asking me a little something about color sort today too. And some of these might not work that well on color sort, so I'm not going to do that on this. That'll be another tutorial. But anyway, if you don't have Enthusiast, I recommend you run over there to Embrilliance and get it if you like to design things like this. Because again, say I wanted to get rid of this pile of snowballs right here. All I have to do is come up here to use this tool to edit stitches and come here to the freehand select and select these stitches like that. You can see that they get little dots. They turn into little circles. Can you see that? I hope you can. Little circles there. So when I do that, all I have to do with them selected is hit delete on my keyboard and they're gone. Isn't that cool? Remember, you can only do this in Enthusiast, and I want to remind you that if you get Enthusiast right now, well, right here, you'll see that it says it's $179 usually, and it's on sale until January 4th for $169. But if you use my code that I have down below, use my link. If the link doesn't work perfectly, once you get there, go to the store, and then in the store, find Enthusiast and put in my code in there and look at the prices then. It's $152.10. So it goes from $179 to $152, which is a pretty good savings, right? And I think you'll enjoy having Enthusiast. But anyway, thanks so much for joining me. I hope this tutorial helped. If you have Enthusiast, remember to use that lasso tool that you have. If you don't have Enthusiast, maybe get it. You can still do it the other way, using the stop sign and the Stitch Simulator. So again, thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.